Using cPanel branding in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged into WebHost Manager. Now let's learn about cPanel branding and how to display a custom logo in cPanel. Click the cPanel link. Then click Customization. This is where you can insert your company name along with the help URL and documentation URL. You can also brand cPanel with your own logo. Click the Browse button to locate and upload the logo and then click Save. That's all there is to it. Click Customize Style Lab. To view help documentation on customizing the style of your cPanel, click this link. To upload your own cPanel style, click the Upload a Style button. From here, you can manage and set your default cPanel style. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use cPanel branding to replace the standard cPanel logo with your own.